Over there.
What are you doing?
Look at that guy. He almost rear-ended me. Nice. You did not just leave your lane and hit my car. Are you kidding me? Are you fucking serious, man? What a freaking moron. Wow.
Say a command. After the beep, please say a command. Please say help at any time.
What are you? That was fucking fun.
Excuse me, brother. Can you help me out? I'm not sure.
That way.
General, straight down. Whoa.
Near the line? You gotta stay in your lane.
Could've.
Painted lines on the floor.
You could've honked, dude.
For what? You have a mirror. You need to use it. See the white lines on the floor? Stay in your lane.
Hey, dude, sorry. I was acting. No, I wasn't drinking, dude. I was asking a guy.
Okay, let's go look it.
Okay guys, this second part of the video, just want to show you guys the damage. So his like tire smacked it right here, dented, it's actually warped. I gotta take off her cap, she's pissed, so yeah. So insurance told us to file a police report. We live in Long Beach, we have to go all the way to East Los Angeles to file a police report. Right now we're having lunch, celebratory lunch, and we'll keep you guys updated with part 2.5, I guess. Yeah, alright guys.
Right to be done for anybody in a company. You don't have to be an executive or a high-ranking manager to have a sense of purpose, a sense of higher purpose that connects to the work that you're doing. And so I'm kind of curious to know, how is it that you think organizations can go about doing that? Not just for founders and CEOs and people in the C-suite, but for everybody. How does that help instill a sense of grit into workers around the company?
Это я считаю крайне ненормально.
Не, в натуре классно, заебись. Чё, умеете? Могёте.
Это ж хмырь, блядь, а? Это пиздец, блядь. Ебанько вообще. Сколько времени сейчас? The fuck are you doing, you stupid cocksucker?